Pasta with shrimp! Tuscan-inspired! Sounds social! Let's do this! Let's start with the shrimp. Na-peel na tong nabili ko, raw and frozen, so hinugasan ko lang and pat dry using a paper towel. To this, I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon lang ng salt kasi may iba pang sources of salt later. 1 teaspoon ng garlic powder, 2 teaspoons ng Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon ng paprika, and minasahe ko lang ang shrimp. The Old Bay seasoning makes a huge difference, guys, so make sure not to skip this. Iniwan ko lang to sa counter while I'm prepping the garlic and onion. Igisa na natin to. Add konting oil sa pan on medium heat. 2 minutes per side, okay na yan. Remove from heat. Now naman, gawin na natin ang sauce. Saute natin ang diced onion. Hindi na ako nag-add ng oil kasi may natira pa sa pan. Next, add natin ang minced garlic and then 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the onion is translucent and naamoy nyo na yung aroma ng onion and garlic, go ahead and add the grape tomatoes. Hinati ko lang to into half. Takpan natin ng maluto. Kung gusto nyo ng mas sosyal, try the dried tomatoes. Or kung okay lang naman sa inyo, any ripe tomatoes na meron sa palengke, sa garden, or sa kapitbahay nyo, pwede yan, guys. While we are cooking the sauce, magpakulo na din tayo ng tubig para sa pasta. And then back to the sauce. This is optional. I added a pinch of chili flakes kasi yung mga kabahay ko, pampagana nila yan. Add 1/4 teaspoon ng black pepper and 1/4 cup ng hot water to help the tomato soften. And nag-grate na din ako ng Knorr Shrimp Cube. I started with 1/4 of the cube. Pag malambot na ang kamatis, crush half of it para nasa sauce din yung tomato flavor. Unless you want to crush all of it, pwede din. Kung gusto nyo din naman na hindi i-crush at medyo buo yung kamatis, pwede din yun, guys. Whatever makes you happy. Usually, heavy cream ang gamit dito, guys. Pero for a lighter and healthier version, and pwede din to sa lactose intolerant, dito sa Canada, I'm using non-dairy milk. This is 1 cup of almond milk. And for the creaminess, 1 cup ng non-dairy half and half. Sa Pilipinas, pwede kayong gumamit ng 1 can evap and 1 small can ng Nestle cream. So, takpan lang natin to and you know the drill. Let it boil, let it boil. While waiting for the sauce to boil, niluto ko na ang pasta according to the package instructions. I'm using spaghettini, half kilo to. So, tong spaghettini, guys, mas payat lang siya na spaghetti. Nakakapayat kaya to, guys, kasi payat yung spaghetting gamit ko. At dahil payat nga yung spaghettini, 5 to 6 minutes okay na yon. Pero 4 minutes ko lang siya niluto para hindi siya ma-overcook kasi ilalagay ko pa to sa sauce later. Tikman na natin ang sauce. I added half cup ng Parmigiano Reggiano for the social, guys, diba? Pero kung wala kayong parmesan, Eden cheese, pwede din, guys. And 1/4 pa ng shrimp cube. Naglagay din ako ng spinach. Mabilis lang tumaluto, guys. So once wilted, okay na yan. Let's add back the shrimp. And 1 more tikim for final seasoning. I added 1 more teaspoon of ground black pepper. And pwede na nating ilagay ang cooked pasta. Mukhang madami yung sauce, but that's how I wanted it kasi hindi pa fully cooked ang pasta. I want it to absorb the flavors from the sauce. So once incorporated, I turned off the heat and hinalo ko na lang until ma-absorb lahat ng sauce. And tada! Ito na, guys, ang pasta with shrimp na nakakasosyal, Tuscan-inspired. Try nyo to, guys, and let me know. Para kayong nakakain sa mamahaling resto, promise. I added more parmesan once plated and a pinch of chili flakes. And guys, like and subscribe para makapunta na tayo ng Italy next time. Happy eating, everyone!